Hello guys, welcome to today's video. So we will be talking towards our how to fix our corrupt registry in Windows 10. So we will go through out one by one solution for this. So we will check step by step solutions for that. Okay. So first is install a registry cleaner. Okay. So if you don't have a registry cleaner, then simply you can go in Google and search for registry cleaner. Okay. Registry cleaner, enter. You can see here best free PC registry cleaner software download. So you can download this software and it will automatically show you the steps to download or clean the registry, okay, or fix a corrupt registry. So with the help of this software you can select that, and you can select the registry and you can troubleshoot your registry. Okay. So after that, our next solution is opening our command prompt. Okay. So for that, what we have to do is I will simply type here cmd. You can see here apps, documents and web mores. So you can see here command prompt and open and run as administrator. So simply you don't have to open this command prompt directly. What we have to do is we have to open a run as administrator. Okay. So I will click on run as administrator and I will click on as. So you can see here the window is popped in front of us like this. So what we have to do is we have to run only one command here to scan our PC. So what I will type is, you have to type the same. I will type here sfc / scan now. So it's showing that beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan and verification 3% completed. So it will take a time upon your memory and RAM basis. Okay, if your RAM is greater, then the process will be completed very shortly, or if you have the RAM very large, then the process will take a time to complete for the verification. So after that, you can simply restart your PC and you can check for your PC, that is your PC will be Windows registry will be cleared, or your corrupt registry will be repaired from this. Okay. So you have to wait for some time to complete this process, that is beginning verification phase of system scan. It will show up here, that is verification 100% complete, then it will automatically close. Okay. So simply I will close this tab for now, because already I have scanned my PC and I don't have the registry problem right now. Okay. So you have to complete it till 100%. So I will close this tab. So next solution is refresh your system. Okay. So Windows 10 allows you to reset your computer and leave all your files untouched. Okay. This option completely refresh your system's files and may help you fix registry issues. Okay. So here are some steps to follow. Like go to settings panel. I will open here the settings. You can see here my settings panel. Then what we have to do is update and security. We have to click on update and security. After that, you can see here that is select recovery. You can see here the recovery option in the left side. I will choose on recovery. Click on get started. Okay. Click on get started. Keep my files and I will cancel, because I don't want to recover my PC or reset my PC. So I will simply cancel this. But what you have to do is, for refreshing your system, you have to reset your PC, but your files won't be resetted. Okay, don't panic with them, because your all data will be safe as it is. Only your main files, that is Windows operating system files, will be refreshed by that process. Okay. So what we have to do is, we have another one solution for that. This will be the last solution for this problem, that is run the dism command. So what we have to do is, I will open my command prompt cmd here. I will select here, but as already I showed you, we don't have to open like this, we have to open run as administrator. I will click on yes, and you can see here the pop-up generated here. So what we have to do is go to start launch command prompt and as administrator. Okay, that we have done, and we have to type here, that is dism slash online slash cleanup image cleanup image slash scan health. Okay, scan health. Sorry, I typed it in a capital letters, so again I will type here, that is dism space slash online space slash scan health. Okay, so you have to type as it is, like capital and small letters you have to keep in mind, and the spacing also. Okay, sorry, after online we have to write here this cleanup image, cleanup dash image slash scan health. So you can see here online cleanup image and scan health, so that you have to hit enter here. So it will show the deployment image servicing and management tool, so image version 10.5. so the process will begin after this, but we will not go forward. You have to just enter this command, and after processing this all you have to stop your command prompt. Okay, so this was the last solution. Guys, thanks for this video. We will meet again in the next video. Thank you.